Do you ever wake up and wonder if your hands will ever stop tingling, or if your knees will let you walk without pain again? What if I told you that what you eat, not just your age, is silently shaping your strength and mobility right now? For millions of people over 60, the aches, weakness, and numbness aren't just growing older. They're your body's warning sign that trouble is brewing under the surface. Let's paint the picture. Maybe you've noticed climbing stairs is a challenge you never used to think twice about. Chairs feel lower than they did last year, and simple things like opening jars or taking a walk around the block leave you tired, sore, and frustrated. You might brush it off as old age, just part of life, but it doesn't have to be this way. What if the cause wasn't just time passing, but a deep inner loss that's entirely fixable? In one study from Harvard, researchers noted many seniors lose up to a third of their collagen by age 65. Collagen is the very framework that keeps your joints flexible, your muscles firm, and your nerves healthy without it. Even daily activities can start to feel impossible. Let me share a real moment. Recently, a viewer messaged to say their morning walks had all but stopped because their legs simply felt too heavy, like walking through wet sand. Others describe waking up at night with hands so numb it's hard to grip the blanket. If any of that sounds familiar, you are not alone. In fact, research suggests over 90% of people over 60 have no idea that collagen loss. Not just age is the root of these stubborn problems. So here's the big question. Could filling up on simple, everyday vegetables save you trips to the doctor and help your body repair itself from the inside out? And which vegetables actually work not just for fancy smoothies, but in real life for seniors who want to regain movement, strength, and comfort in their hands and legs? If that's got your curiosity, stay right here. Science shows the food you put on your plate could very well be the turning point for your joints, nerves, and daily independence. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Now, let me reveal the 8 most powerful vegetables for collagen. Support ranked from helpful to life-changing so you can start reclaiming your strength and freedom, one meal at a time. Let's dive in, starting with a familiar friend that's hiding a secret in nearly every fridge. Red bell peppers. If you're over 60, red bell peppers could be your first line of defense against joint pain and weakness. That might sound surprising, but let's look at why. As we age, our bodies steadily lose their ability to create collagen, the glue that holds together our joints, muscles, and nerves. Imagine collagen as the soft padding in your shoes. Once it wears away, every step feels harsher and less steady. What makes red bell peppers special is their incredible vitamin C content. Just half a cup delivers over 150% of your daily value, more than most fruits. And vitamin C is not just for the immune system. It acts like a green light, telling your body to turn amino acids into strong, resilient collagen fibers. Think about building a brick wall. Vitamin C is the builder that puts each brick in place. Without it, no wall goes up. Plus, red bell pepper's capsaicin antioxidant works behind the scenes, fighting off the oxidative stress that ages your joints. In one 2020 study from the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors with more antioxidants in their diet experienced firmer grips, stronger legs, and significantly less joint inflammation. So how can you make the most of this? Eat them raw whenever you can, add them to salads, snack on slices, or stir into a dish just before serving. Overcooking red bell peppers can rob them of vitamin C, so keep it simple for maximum benefit. It may only take changing your snack to give your hands and legs a new shot at smooth, pain-free movement. Still, you might be wondering, are leafy greens as powerful as everyone says? That leads us to our next vegetable, spinach. It may look humble, but for seniors struggling with tingling or stiffness, spinach is a silent powerhouse. Its secret: the way its nutrients join forces for collagen repair. Beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, is crucial to keeping fibroblasts, your collagen-producing cells, fully active. Without enough vitamin A, these essential cells slow down, leaving your skin thin and your joints creaky. That's why spinach isn't just good for your eyes. It's your ally against breakdown. pain, and weakness. On top of that, spinach is packed with lutein and chlorophyll, both renowned for easing chronic inflammation, which is like a slow fire burning through your joints and nerves. And here's a striking detail. Nearly 2/3 of seniors are low on magnesium, a nutrient that's essential for nerve health and collagen-building enzymes. When your magnesium runs low, nerves misfire and hands or legs start to feel numb or weak. According to a 2018 study in biological trace element research, seniors with higher magnesium from foods like spinach had stronger joints and far fewer nerve troubles, like carpal tunnel or sciatic pain. If you want steady hands and smoother steps, spinach belongs on your plate. For best results, eat spinach often raw in salads, lightly sautéed with garlic, or mixed into your smoothies. Remember, the less it's cooked, the more of its nerve-protecting power you keep. Fresh spinach isn't a garnish. It's a daily defense against collagen loss, especially when legs and hands start acting up. Now, let's talk about a vegetable usually pushed to the corner of the plate: okra. If the texture has turned you off, it's time to reconsider. With age, joint lubrication declines, making every movement feel rough and painful. Okra contains a natural gel called mucilage, which coats the joints much like the synovial fluid you had when you were younger. Whenever you feel sharp pain or grinding, you're likely running low on these natural joint cushions. By adding okra, you mimic that lost comfort. But the magic doesn't stop at comfort. Okra is rich in pectin and polyphenols, which help actual collagen fibers rebuild. In one 2021 study from Pharmaceutical Biology, researchers saw that okra extract literally increased collagen density and helped damaged cartilage bounce back. Plus, okra's trio of vitamin K, C, and manganese gives your body exactly what it needs to keep building and maintaining collagen every day, even when most protein shakes or pills miss the mark. Regularly eating okra, steamed or in stews, not fried to keep the nutrients, is like daily maintenance for your knees and wrists. And if nerve tingling is your issue, the flavonoids in okra serve as a barrier, supporting damaged nerves so you can get back to activities you love. Let's pause with a quick story. One woman told me she started steaming okra twice a week, and months later, noticed not only less knee pain but stronger hands for gardening. Small changes, big results sometimes. The foods we overlook are the ones that turn things around. Now, if you're only choosing one green veggie for your plate, broccoli should be a top contender. You might think of broccoli as just a basic green, but for aging joints and nerves, it's much more. Broccoli offers sulforaphane, a powerful signal to your body's repair systems. As shown in a 2020 study in the Journal of Cellular Physiology, sulforaphane activates genes linked to fixing and protecting connective tissue. The result: stronger joints, better grip, and less wear and tear as you age. Its dose of vitamin C, vitamin K, glucosinolates, and calcium works to both build new collagen and protect what you've got from breaking down. That means if you're getting popping, stiff knees, or numbness in your fingers, you can use broccoli to put the brakes on those symptoms. Plus, broccoli may help stabilize blood sugar, which matters more than you think. High blood sugar damages collagen, making tissues brittle. Broccoli keeps things flexible, so every daily action becomes easier. For best results, steam or roast broccoli lightly, keeping it vibrant, green, and slightly crunchy. Toss it into stir fries or pair with a touch of garlic and olive oil. Micro hook time curious. Which vegetable unlocks better blood flow to weak, tingling legs? Let's move to beets, nature's circulation booster. Legs that feel tired, restless, or heavy often signal poor blood flow. Beets work by providing natural nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, a compound that literally opens up blood vessels and drives oxygen and collagen-building nutrients right where your body needs them. In a 2019 nutrient study, older adults drinking beet juice saw a 21% rise in lower limb circulation and walked farther without tiring. But beets don't just energize. Their pigments betalains are potent protectors against free radical attacks on your joints and nerves. Their folate content helps repair tissues, preventing buildups of damaging compounds that stiffen collagen and harden blood vessels. For seniors, this means less soreness, improved movement, and faster recovery after simple activities. Roast beets to bring out natural sweetness and keep their nutrients locked in. Or try freshly juiced beets with a splash of citrus for better absorption. Every week, a few servings can go a long way in rebuilding your inner scaffold. Now, imagine something as odd as seaweed being a secret to stronger knees and hands. Though seaweed might seem unfamiliar, it's loaded with easy-to-absorb minerals, copper, manganese, and zinc that your body needs to twist amino acids into durable collagen. These trace minerals spark the enzymes that weave strong collagen fibers. Beyond minerals, seaweed contains exclusive compounds, fucoidan and alginate, that studies in journals like Marine Drugs found to stimulate your body's own fibroblasts and reduce inflammation. That's painful and destructive in aging joints. Better still, seaweed gives natural iodine to support the thyroid, which plays a role in your ability to heal. Weak legs, cold hands, and slow recovery are often linked with poor thyroid function. By feeding your thyroid, you fuel quicker repair. An example from a recent study, seniors supplementing with seaweed reported less joint discomfort and speedier healing after just 4 weeks. Add dried seaweed flakes to soups or salads, but always look for low-sodium varieties without added oils. Just a few small servings each week can reinforce your joint structure invisibly. Now that we've looked to the sea, let's return to the land with asparagus, the underappreciated collagen catalyst. If you thought asparagus was just a fancy side, think again. Its master antioxidant, glutathione, is key to stopping the oxidative stress that tears down your collagen every year after age 60. In a 2020 study in oxidative medicine and cellular longevity, older adults with better glutathione levels showed steadier bones, less painful joints, and healthier collagen overall. Asparagus also packs vitamin K, which keeps calcium working for you, building bone, not blocking joints and arteries. It's a silent guardian against the stiffness and nerve pain that comes when calcium migrates to the wrong place. And with its dose of folate, asparagus keeps your DNA repair humming, helping to replace old collagen with new. Add in its prebiotic fiber to support a healthy gut, crucial for absorbing all these critical nutrients. And you see why asparagus is far more than a decorative green spear on your plate. Roast it, steam it, or toss fresh into salads. Regular servings can begin reversing years of slow decline in your joints and muscles. Try making asparagus a dinner staple and see if your legs and hands don't feel more alive. So, what could possibly top this list? The answer surprises many. Humble parsley, often dismissed as just a garnish. Parsley is a collagen powerhouse. It contains some of the highest levels of vitamin C and K for its size vitamins. Your body literally cannot build collagen without. Vitamin C commands the process, while vitamin K ensures that your newly rebuilt tissue isn't sabotaged by misplaced calcium. But parsley's benefits go further. Its apigenin content guards the very cells that make collagen, providing natural anti-inflammatory protection against the wear and tear of daily life. In one 2022 nutrient study, seniors with more dietary vitamin C and plant flavonoids had stronger tendons and great joint mobility, especially in those joints and hands where most aging adults notice the ache. Parsley even helps your body ramp up glutathione production for ongoing repair. The chlorophyll inside acts like a mini oxygen mask for your cells, improving nutrient delivery and revitalizing tissues from the inside out. The best part is how easy parsley is to use. Toss it fresh into nearly anything: salads, soups, eggs, smoothies. Just a few spoonfuls a day is enough to spark measurable difference in strength and flexibility. Let's circle back. Tingling hands, weak legs, and stiff, painful joints are not just part of aging. They're signals. Your collagen reserves have run low. By the time you feel these symptoms, your body has lost as much as 30 to 40% of its native collagen. But, and this matters, You do not need expensive powders or risky injections to repair yourself. These foods, backed by multiple studies from Harvard to the Mayo Clinic, work quietly but powerfully to restore mobility, comfort, and confidence. Real results don't come from changing everything overnight. Pick just one new vegetable this week, maybe a handful of chopped parsley in your salad, or steamed broccoli with dinner, or a side of roasted beets. Each addition builds change over time. Ask yourself, which problem do you most want to tackle? Tingling hands, shaky legs, or stiff joints? Let us know in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else. And we respond to every single comment because you matter here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on living your best, healthiest life after 60. Wow. And check out the next video on relieving nerve pain. Naturally, it's packed with easy, science-backed tips you can start with today. If you've ever struggled with joint pain or tingling after 50, you're in the right place. Stay strong, keep moving, and remember your best years can still be ahead.